Hey everyone, this is Connlaoth from Solderm8. I want to show you a video of how easy it is to solder LED strip lights using Solderm8. Enjoy. In this video I'm going to use Solderm8 to join two tape lights together. These are just a couple of small cottons I used to demonstrate. Put the connections nice and tight. You can actually use soldering it like a little straight edge. Just have them overlapping slightly. Apply pressure in the terminals. Just a light little bit of pressure, nothing too crazy. Just let them heat up and just jab a load of solder down onto it. Connection made. Connection made. I'll move it over. Add another piece. That's it. Job's a good one.